But first tonight, let's give you a snapshot of how things are looking in Georgia. As of 7 o'clock tonight, we have learned in Georgia there are now more than 4,100 cases confirmed of COVID-19 here in our state. 885 people got so sick they had to go to the hospital. And unfortunately, we're sad to report tonight 125 people have died. This comes as President Trump warns Americans to brace for a rough 2 weeks. New White House projections show there could be between 100,000 and 240,000 deaths in the U.S. That's even if current social distancing guidelines are maintained.
There's no magic bullet. There's no magic vaccine or therapy. It's just behaviors. Each of our behaviors translating into something that changes the course of this viral pandemic over the next 30 days.